Hi, my name's Simon and I'm the Principal and Director of Inforum Education Australia here on the Gold Coast. Inforum has been operating for 17 years and this year we felt that it was time to make a few important changes to the organisation, which you'll see us rolling out in the coming months. To go with this, and after a lot of discussion, we also decided to change our logo. The new logo maintains a link with the past, but it also reflects Inforum moving into the future. At Inforum, we've always believed that we are more than an English language college, even though I think we do this very well. We are also a forum for students to come from all over the world to share, to grow, and to continue their journey with other like-minded global citizens. This journey and how Inforum supports and inspires our learners is represented by a continuous line in our new logo and of course in the shape of Australia. This line also represents Inforum's commitment to relentless innovation in quality education, something that also, like our students' learning, is never ending. In the months to come, you'll see our logo change to better reflect our values that we've always held and to also show how Inforum is moving into the future. Thank you.